Hi viewers! Today I was talking about the new topic as my everyday routine. Today I gonna tell about the autumnal leaves. You know that? How does it look like? It looks very well and when it's fall down, such a beautiful scenery. So actually the leaves are orange, yellow, red or purple. But our confusion is that why does it get another kind of color, right? So today we're gonna know about this and what is the importance of that. We will also know about this. Actually, let's know some funny facts before of all. Saying the autumnal leaves, many of the poets make their poems, and some will also make songs by this. Right? If you search in the YouTube, then you can also get a lot. But our main topic is about why does it rage or colored. Actually, we know that there are two kind of components that we use. Not we use, actually they use to make their leaves green and to make their flower colorful. Chloroplast make their flower colorful. So let's know about this. Now I'm gonna take two of the leaves from here. One is a pure green leaf. Another is some flowers. Right? So by that we can understand very perfectly. Let's know about this. It's green. It's normal to us. It is also red. It's also normal to us. If the flower is red, it's very normal to us. We know that chloroplast. But if the leaf get like the yellow, then we think that the tree has dead. Why? Because most of the deadly tree has this deadly leaf. See this. Is it a proper color of a tree? Not right. So, actually, what stays in this leaf? In this leaf, the chlorophyll, also a little part of chloroplast. So, what does it mean? What's chlorophyll? But before knowing this, let's know about photosynthesis. Photosynthesis means it's a long details. So know about that. If I don't tell it, then you can't understand about this. There are some kind of components such as chlorophyll, which used to make this leaf green, right? So actually this chlorophyll and the sunlight and carbon dioxide make the food of a tree. And what does it food? The glucose. And chlorophyll is those components which come also by the sunlight. It is very easy to understand. So actually by the chlorophyll a plant stay so much well. Why does the plant get yellow? For the lackage of the sunlight. As for a life information, see this. Now I'm gonna show you some plants that are full of with the green and one is not. So let's come with me. Actually, this as a plant you can see very well, and I think that there is some bumblebees, so I won't touch it. But you can see that the plants live of the colors are very well, right? So we can take a leaf from here, very green, right? So it's perfect. It has also a smell like the lemon tree. So actually the trees from here is very colorful. Why? There is the proper sunlight falls here. So actually, these trees are from the born. It's like this, but it's very easy to know that this tree is not so much as colorful as this. Why? Because it hasn't proper of the chlorophyll, because it has no enough sunlight, no enough water. So as for the lackage, it's be like this. But in the atom, the trees make such a chemical, or you can also tell biological material in it, the leaves automatically got red. Actually, some of the persons think that the tree make this chemical for remove the insects and fungi from it. But if I tell, and some people also tell that, actually they do that to make their plants to fall down their leaves from the tree. So this is the main cause of that. And at the summer, the proper presence of sunlight make this all beautiful. But when the winter come, or when the rainy season come, then actually it fall down, because not proper attendance of the sunlight. But it's very easy to understand. The Ataman looks like very beautiful. A red linus beauty which make the environment so much beautiful. So if I tell, the Ataman flowers is also like this color. This colors. At the Canada, USA, Paris, like this. So you know that Canada is very beautiful place, but most of the time, well, mostly in winter time, Canada is all time winter, but at the winter, mostly winter time, the beautiness of Canada get more, but too much cold. Actually, in Bangladesh, there is not much cold. You know that. For this reason, the trees does not give such a chemical in it. So actually, in all way, the autumnal leaves looks very well, like this. So I think there is no any confusion for that. Actually, there is also one kind of acid which they properly use, which has all. So actually, if you understand this matter, then the photosynthesis is also very important, which I have already described. So as that, I can tell you, this effect mostly happen at the summer, not at the summer, sorry, at the winter and at the rainy season. Because at those time the environment become cloudy. For why? They doesn't get the proper attendance of the sunlight. At the same time, they also made this chemical. For this reason, it looks like this. But some of the sceneries that we can see by the internet that are falling down with a lot of plants, not plants, the leaves which is brown, purple, yellow, giving a better experience, right? So it's fall down very really. So actually, a plant always give us a little happily mood, right? So as that, some of the people, you know, deforestation is also one of the cause that the leaf are become like this. Deforestation. Actually, which countries are mostly summer-based countries? If it happen, then it's easy to understand deforestation, overheating, global warming, and a lot. So, as that, if I can tell, then these are the root causes of these effects. But how many of you like to face such a beautiful place or such a beautiful moment? Please comment. And how many of you has see properly about this? That it's falling down, and you are also standing there, and you can see that there is a beautiful flower falling down from here because it is the time of this flower. So as that, those is also the time of falling the old leaves and growing of a new leaf. You can see that after the autumn, the new leaf born, which looks a refreshness, right? So as that, the topic was to here. So that was all for the topic. And if you want to know about any another topic, then you can also comment me that I can easily give you such things. So I think there is no any confusion about autumn leaves. So in all way, if I can tell, it's very well to look. So that was all for today. Please subscribe my channel that I get more motivated to make more vlog like this. Very much thank you.